everybody, it's Heather from Cottontail Crafts. I'm jumping on because I'm going to be making some more custom safety eyes. And I'm going to make a fire lizard. And the last time I made the fire lizard, I used felt eyes. This time, I think I want to custom make some safety eyes for this cute little guy. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to make the eyes. And then I'm going to make the critter, and then I'll come back and show you the final critter with the safety eyes. So this is going to be episode 2 of my custom eye series. And I think I have a name picked, and Karen from Yarn and Whimsy, she helped me with the name because she's very good at picking names. I'm not so much. So thank you, Karen, for helping me with the name for my safety eye tutorials. I really appreciate it. So this is going to be episode 2. I will flip the camera around and let's make some custom safety eyes for my fire lizard. Okay, so I want to make some safety eyes for my fire lizard. So I just have alcohol ink, I have orange red, and I have yellow. So I just put a little bit of resin in each cup and 1 drop of each color, and look, I got it all over me. So don't do this without gloves, people. Like, don't. I'm just not using gloves because I can't pause my phone when I'm filming. So yeah, don't do what I do. So resin in a cup, 1 drop of alcohol ink of each color in a cup. And I'm just gonna start putting this on. And usually when you mix alcohol inks together, usually you get like a pretty good reaction. I don't know if that'll happen because there's resin mixed in here. So I'm just trying this for the first time and filming it. If it's a success, then great. If not, you won't be watching this. So I'm just doing a little bit of yellow, a little bit of orange red all the way around. It doesn't look like there's much of a reaction with the alcohol inks mixing together. I think it's because of the resin. So I'm going to put this under the lamp. And while that's curing, I'll do the other one. And then I'll have to think about a color that I want to have in the background. I tried black earlier, but it was an epic fail. And those eyes will be going in the garbage. I'll just show you what they look like. Like, you can't even see the red and yellow. But you don't know until you try. So play around. So I'm doing, last time I had red. So, and the red ended up being really dark. So this time around, I'm just doing the yellow and the orange red. And trying that first. And this time I'm using more yellow because that's a pretty light color. And then I'll come back with I'll probably do a light color on top instead of a dark color. But yeah, I find because the alcohol ink is mixed with the resin that when the 2 different colors of alcohol ink are touching, it's not doing that crazy reaction that you usually get with alcohol inks. So that's going to cure for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to figure out what color I'm going to put on the back, and then I'll mix that up. So I think I'm going to go with this gold color for the background. So let's do a little bit of resin. And this is going to cover the whole back of the eyes. And gold mica powder. And if this doesn't work, I might just have to use glitter paint. But the glitter paint takes so long to dry. I was really hoping that I could make these with the resin. That might be enough. We'll see. Okay, I'm just gonna cover this up so it, oh, look at that. Do not do what I do, people. Oh my goodness. This is what not to do. Now, how am I gonna get that back in the jar? Okay. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it and I'll deal with it later. Yeah. So this might be an epic fail too. And I want to try to do a series of this. Okay, so that should be set enough. I don't know. I don't think I'm digging the alcohol ink. Okay, I need a new popsicle stick because that's all full of glitter. Okay, so I'm just going to move these out of the way because okay. So this is my mica powder, gold mica powder mixed with resin. And now I'm just going to cover the whole back of these eyes. I just thought it would be really cool to custom make your eyes to match your project. And it will help you stand out from the crowd, right? Like, that was my thinking behind the whole thing. So now I gotta try to get this alcohol ink off of me before I go to work. All right, so there's one. That can go under the lamp. Let's get the other one done. Try to make this stretch so I don't have to, there we go. It's messy, people. Like, I would like to do this in bulk, but like I said, I also want to do a series of making my own customized, so I need a little bit more resin in there. It's not enough. Not enough. Okay. Yeah, I want to do like a series of this, right? So that's like to do. I haven't even tried to customize the smaller safety eyes. These are 25 millimeter. And these ones are fairly easy because it's a big eye, like you can hold on to it. But I don't know how I'm gonna work the smaller ones. Okay. I think that's probably good enough. So I'm gonna give this about 2 minutes and then I will be back. Okay, they've been under there for a couple minutes. And that is cured. Oh, that looks a lot better. Much better. Much better. Okay. So, I took 2 cups of resin, added 1 drop of yellow alcohol ink and 1 drop of orange red. Mixed it up, just took a popsicle stick, dabbed it around, and then I took some gold mica powder, mixed it with resin, and I put that on the back. So that's what the backs look like. And this is what my lighting is so bad down here. That's what the eyes look like. Here, let me just turn my... Anyway, my lighting's really bad, guys, but they do look actually pretty cool. I'll see if I can put it next to the yarn. So. I think that's actually going to look pretty cool. So I will go make my fire lizard and then I will be back to show you what he looks like with the custom safety eyes. But yeah, the first ones were an epic fail. You can't even see the colors at all. So these are going in the garbage. Learn my lesson, learn my lesson. So I think with certain colors you want like a light color on your background, I think is the way to go. For sure. All right, I'll be back with the make and show you what it looks like. Hi everybody, I'm back. I did get my little fire lizard made, so I thought I would come back and show you his eyes that I did. So those are his eyes. So it's mostly the yellow with a little bit of orange red accents. I don't know that I will use the alcohol inks again. I just find when it is mixed with resin, you don't get that beautiful mix of colors when you mix alcohol inks. Usually there's like a bold reaction. And I don't know if it was the resin or maybe if I just got to play around more. I don't know. But anyway. Those are the eyes that I made. And I do love how he turned out. I wasn't sure if I was going to upload this video because I wasn't sure that his eyes were dramatic enough, but I showed you the eyes that didn't work, so that's a fail. And I just want to kind of document and do these as a series so you guys can watch along, maybe learn what not to do. Yeah, so I do think he turned out really good. And you're never going to see on camera what you see in person. But I think they turned out pretty good. But next time, maybe I'll try some glitter paint first and then go in with the mica powder behind. I think that probably would have been more dramatic. So if this guy sells and I make another one, I think that's what I'll do. I'll do red glitter paint, and then I'll go in behind with the gold mica powder. So that's it for this installment. And we'll be back next week with another critter with custom safety eyes. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please like, please subscribe. I'd love to have you follow me. See you later.